Everybody, how is it going? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute most basic operation you can perform in PyTorch. I've already got it kind of defined out here, but we're going to go ahead and just retype through everything. So what we're going to do is do this. We're going to perform element-wise addition of two tensors. So we're going to do tensor A equals torch.tensor, and then it's a basically a matrix 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do B is a tensor, which is 4, 5, 6. So we created two tensors, A and B. Clean this up a little bit. So define two tensors, i.e. a multi-dimensional array. Then we're going to do C equals A plus B, and we're going to print C. What this is doing is performing element-wise addition, and I'll explain this in a second. So when we press this, it should give us 5, 7, 9, which it does. 5, 7, 9. So this code imports the PyTorch library, defines two tensors A and B. It then performs an element-wise addition of the two tensors and assigns the results to a new tensor, C. Finally, it prints out the contents of C, which should be 5, 7, and 9. And there you have it. That's the most basic operation you can do in Torch. Thanks for watching.